kurot-kurot kayon.
Bakit muna? Lahat ba ng QA?
Ano na?
Pwede kayong manalo doon ng 200
Gift
gift
certificate.
certificates.
Every Friday, we will be launching a question, so you can open your queue up, give in your answer. It's 1 PH, so when you give in your answer, you start with DMG / your answer or hyphen your answer for us to notify that you are from Dumaguete.
Alright.
So, di na yaw.
Meron kayo sa mga phones nyo. Huwag lang Facebook, Messenger, Instagram, Telegram. Dapat queue up meron doon.
We'll have 5 lucky winners every week. Posting of winners will be Tuesday of the following week.
Correct. And also for those who haven't followed yet our Facebook page, please do follow because activities like that, events like this, and contests that we have online are posted there.
Kasi ginabi akong dalagan doon ngayon.
So para talagang natatagal